Hey everyone, so we're back. We got another job. This one's a little bit out of the character for us, but a friend of a friend recommended us. I priced it and worked out. So we're in the city. I live in southern Ontario, Canada, and we went down into the heart of the city. But anyways, so the jobs we got today or the next few days are industrial maintenance, industrial removal kind of thing. So I disassembled this fan and we're going to put that into a scrap bin. We got a concrete wall, little knee wall to take out. We got to take all of this HVAC ducting out, cut it up and put it into a bin. We got to take this wooden room down, that wooden office down, and that whole office down, and all the associated wiring and everything else. Get it all cleaned up. I think that's all the project. It's a fair bit of work and stuff. Yeah, I'm just starting over here. Got the fan out of the way, which was easy enough, and I'm just gonna cut the ducting up into small enough pieces I can throw it into a metal scrap bin. My next thing is got to figure out the emergency light circuits and this fan controller wiring. Just make sure everything's dead before I take it apart. Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're working on. We're doing the thing. Yeah, a little bit out of our normal wheelhouse, but we're gonna do it. So yeah, I'll take you guys along for the ride. Okay, so the reason we stopped recording was we hit the little sprinkler line, caused a bit of a leak, and yeah, I f***ed up, and I'm not gonna edit it out and pretend like it didn't happen. So we're gonna take those 3 out so that we don't have that happen again, and we've already got that one removed. So we just took the long line and made it shorter because there's no longer an office there. So, but yeah, it's pretty much demolished. Live, learn. I don't know. Okay, guys. Yeah, so we got the sprinkler fittings fixed. So no more long line there, and no more long 3 lines there. So no risk of hitting them when we take this guy down. They put heads up top. So now we're cutting up the pipes. Using this man basket outside here. Tyler's driving around and cutting pipes. So bring you along to the road. Okay, we're all done. We got the office smashed, and swept up and gone. The pipes are down. The other office is gone. Skid steer's getting loaded up. Scrap metal bin is leaving now. Filled three 40-yard dumpsters, or 20 and 2 40s. They're all pretty well swept up as much as we can be. Floors are getting finished, so yeah. Not our usual project, but something to do. Keep money flowing. Thanks for watching.